Okay, I might have 2 more meals to cook after this. So this is like finishing up my finale of Home Chef because they're raising the price on me. So I have this piece of chicken here. And I've got my ingredients here. And we are making hot honey glazed chicken. Looks like some broccoli. Maybe some red peppers in there. Let me get my ingredients out. Okay, so we got the bell pepper, chicken, 2 packs of honey, a little, I think it says rice, something, seasoned rice, I think, vinegar. We got the broccoli. Looks like some nice garlic cloves there. A little crushed red pepper. I got my own for that. And then some garlic pepper. And let's look at the directions. Okay, so cut these up. Now I got to mix them together and put this garlic pepper on them. Okay, put a little olive oil and the garlic pepper on there. Shush them around and stick them in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, got the chicken out, patted it dry. Gonna put it in with a couple teaspoons of olive oil and brown it up on both sides with a little salt and pepper. Okay, heated up the oil. Let's get the chicken in there. And remember to always roll your meat away from you, so if it splatters that way. Don't drop it to you. Gordon Ramsay tip 101. All right, let's let that brown up. Okay, so it's browning up nice. This other side, and then we're gonna make our little sauce. Let's chop the garlic up and the honey and crushed red pepper and this vinegar, seasoned rice vinegar. Okay, so I put the garlic in there, the vinegar, and the honey. So we're gonna let that brown up a little bit. I put a little extra garlic because I had this. So the big garlic that's cut up is what they sent me, and then the little stuff is I put a teaspoon of that extra garlic. So we'll let that brown up. Alexa, pause. Sorry. So we're letting this brown up on a medium heat here. Throwing the crushed red pepper, that vinegar, the garlic, and the honey. Chicken is resting right there. I should have that covered in foil paper, but I don't. And the veggies are in there cooking up. Ooh, that heat kind of filmed that up. So the veggies are in there cooking. Close that foil, let all my heat out. Alrighty. And this is going to be my honey glazed sauce here. Ooh, that's going to be good, huh? Thickened up nice. It was kind of running on the side here for a little bit, but now it's kind of thickened up. Nice. All right, we'll be back for the plating. And it's plated. It's lunchtime, baby. So I got plenty of veggies left. I got another piece of chicken left. Put that sauce on there, and now for the taste test. Okay, pretty good. You know what it's missing? Crushed red pepper. Oh, yeah. Now it's going to be better. That garlic and sauce is pretty good. This is my second bite. Chicken came out nice. About 5 minutes on each side on that chicken. Vegetables are tender and tasty. Oh, that's a good one. Hot honey glazed chicken. All right, y'all have a good one.